following the canal in Camden at the moment. Grand Union, I think. We're going to head out towards the Chilterns. Alright, we are on the way out of London to the northwest. Yeah, then we're going to go over the Chilterns and then through some very lovely country farmland. It's going to be a very road orientated ride. It's going to be my first Imperial Century of the year, so I decided to have a rather leisurely one, but we'll see how it goes. I did chance putting some single track and gravel in this route, only just to see how the trails are right now. We've had a lot of sun, it's been warm, hasn't rained much around here the last week or two, so I'm hoping they're in pretty good shape. So far so good. Exciting times. Here's something I completely forgot would be on this route. It's the HS2 Colne Valley Viaduct. Cool. In about 10 years time, I can't wait to ride that thing. Look at that. It's absolutely huge. Like, you see videos of it, it doesn't really give it justice. It's about 40 meters up to there, I'd say. Now 30. I'm terrible at judging distance, but yeah, really cool. It looks super futuristic when you're here in person. Like, the concrete's really clean and polished. Let's see how long it lasts. Alright, we're approaching the Chilterns. Things are starting to go upwards. It's a beautiful area around here. I think we're going across a way I haven't been before, so we should see some new stuff. Let's see. Blimey, that was a good brake test. Wow, that was a cool descent. Back up again now though, I think. just passed through Chelsham. I'm not sure if I'm fully over the Chilterns yet or if there's a bit more, but I've got to say, not the best way over the Chilterns I've been. I mean, it was 100% road pretty much, but there was no views, so yeah, I don't know. Not convinced on that one. Who knows, maybe the best bit's still to come. It's alright. Alright, I definitely spoke too soon. This is the kind of stuff I was expecting, and here it is. Don't know if you can see that. 85k done, so we are halfway. Oh man, it's always the same. First century of the year, I always forget how long they are. Off the road for a bit. How lovely. Going to admit defeat on this one. I think in the photos on Commute this looked flat, but when you get here, yeah, it's churned as hell. Alright, let's see how long it lasts. Just cut through a little town and it has opened up. I'm hoping it's going to be like this the rest of the way, and the rest of the way is about 50 kilometers, so done just over 110. Legs are definitely feeling it now. It's going to be maybe the last 10 or so k's are going to be a bit of a death march, but we'll see. Just hit a fairly significant route failure on Canute, so there's a gravel trail, doesn't exist. I turned the corner to do it, and there's just a fence that I don't think there's ever been a trail there. I don't know what Canute was thinking, so taking a road diversion now. I mean, it's not the end of the world, it's quite nice around here, but it might add a few kilometers, which is upsetting. But we'll just deal with it. Yeah, the reroute has got me on a lovely bumpy field full of grass. However, it has opened up the view. Look at that row of trees up on the hill up there. It's interesting. Yeah, so reroute didn't actually turn out that bad. It's just going to be a real slog getting up here. Hopefully it doesn't last too long. We'll see. That really is something, eh? Almost at the top. I tried to ride it, but it's too bumpy. My Garmin says it's 1.4 kilometers more of this, so I really hope that's not true. Let's see. Are they still following me? I can't check. I look behind me, they're all chasing me. Oh, that was quite terrifying for a moment there. Alright, which gate do I take next? This has been a real adventure of which gate. Pick one of three. The views just keep coming. I wonder what that is there, I'm not sure. Is that might be HS2 there, I'm not sure. Like, because this route does follow it, not directly, but kind of almost parallel in a few places, so I wonder if that's it there. Cool. Yeah, I think that's one of the new bridges there, it looks like. Oh, nice. Well, we're going this way. So this might be the last time I see HS2 today. It's been really interesting to see what they're up to. Very busy, it looks like. Yeah, so I think that's the end of the diversion as well, because I remember putting in this gravel trail going past Ronmer Wood or Ronner Wood here, because it looked really nice, and I'm not disappointed. This is great. Yeah, we're doing this again. So, not sure what county I'm in. Future Darren will put it on the screen. But every single piece of gravel I've found in this county is just this. Grassy, rutty, boggy cut-throughs. So maybe I'm just unlucky, but it's like 3 for 3 with the gravel here, so not impressed. I'm sure there's some good stuff somewhere, but I have not found it on this ride. Distance wise, what time is it? It's 4 o'clock, so I've got about an hour and a half of daylight left and about 30 k's to go, so that just about tallies up, assuming I'm not stuck in a field like this for an hour. Alright, we're out of the field edge gravel, thank God, because that field became laden with water, and then I found out that I'd missed the gate for the bridleway, so I had to turn around and go back. Oh, this is not what you want in the last 30k of a century ride. Well, dealing with it. 20k to go. The death march is starting. I've got about a quarter of a water bottle left of water, a flapjack. I might have another one on actually. Oh, I might have to look. I might be fine after all. Nearly there. maybe I've just been extremely unlucky all day and all the other gravel in this county is like this. I hope so. Oh, wow. Last few Ks on the, I think this is the Oxford Canal, takes us into Banbury. Yeah, my body is a bit broken. First adventure of the year is always hard. They get easier after this, but bloody hell. Alright, there we go. For some reason I cycled 100 miles to see this spire thing. I don't know, I just saw it commute, I thought it'd be a good marker. But that's it, done. Now I'm going to go find a train station and sleep.